Hello and welcome to our webinar today, which is part 2 of the iPlanit functionality and capabilities 4-part series. Today we will look at iPlanit's deep data set, focusing on audits, reports, performance and compliance. And it's really great to see so many of you joining us today. Before we begin, I just want to make sure that you all have sound and that you can see my screen. If you have any issues, Thomas Dew is standing by to assist you. You can see his number there on the screen. I'll just pause for a minute to give you time to jot that number down if you need it. Just while we're waiting, I'd just like to mention our podcast called Aspirico Insights. Episodes 1 to 3 are now available on Spotify and SoundCloud, and they're really interesting as well. And also, if you have any questions as we're going along presenting the webinar for you today, just use the questions tab on the panel on your screen, on the side of your screen. Pop your questions in there and we'll cover off on as many of them as we can as time allows at the end of the webinar today. Just a little introduction. My name is Lisa Walters and I work as iPlanit Client Consultant for Australia and New Zealand. A few of you here today know me. I've spoken to you a few times on the phone. And also we have Thomas Dew, our iPlanit Client Director. Both of us have prior experience within the sector itself, giving us a great understanding of our customers and clients' needs. But today I'll be presenting a few little slides for you, just a few minutes, and then I'll hand over to Thomas, who will be doing the presentation on the iPlanit system itself. So in the presentation today, we will cover KPI reporting and how you can evidence you are meeting the required standards. Also, exporting of data for audits and compliance, and how you can monitor organisational compliance with iPlanit's over 50 inbuilt reports, and also real-time daily monitoring, which does include overdue notifications and due date alerts. Okay, so iPlanit's unique deep data set allows you to do easy one-click reporting for risk management, compliance reporting, client profile analysis. You can track client satisfaction, support plan, and sections of the support plan, and also calendar analysis. Also referral data, you can go in and look at that, and needs assessment as well. Lots of functionality here for your whole organisation's analysis. So this slide actually shows a screenshot of the iPlanit's report area. As you can see, it's very clear, nice clear tabs and very easy to navigate. And also too, just here, I've done a screenshot of an area on iPlanit which is part of a person's profile. And you can see the different fields of a person's profile here. And so to find what you'd like to report on, it's very easy. You just click the area that you're interested in here, and you've got some choices up the top here. You can just bring it out on screen to view the report, or you can choose a number of different export functionalities to export your report and print your report as well. And I should just mention that these fields will look different for you. We work with you and we can customize this to suit your own organisation's needs for your own personal organisation business requirements. And if you're like me, you'll love a great graph. So we have a multitude of graphs for you to choose from, and that now allows you to break down the data into different graph values. And of course, it makes it so easy when it comes to meetings, that type of thing, to see exactly where you're at. And of course, again, We work with you here to make sure that you're able to capture the detailed analysis that you need for your own graph reporting. And on the screen here is a screenshot of our management dashboard. This is a fabulous tool. Also, it's so great as well for mobile working. You can access this from anywhere if you have internet access. And you can easily see an overview, a bird's eye view really, of everything that's happening within your organisation. It makes it very easy to drill down on exactly what it is that you're looking for. Also, you can break down this data into the different locations of your organisation or different areas in which you have, which you're working under. And so how does iPlanet provide easy one-click reporting? And how can iPlanet provide easy export of data for audits and compliance? And how does iPlanet provide real-time whole organisation monitoring? Well, I'll hand you over now to Thomas Dew, who will answer these questions for you while he demonstrates on the iPlanet system. Thanks, Thomas. Over to you.